So it all starts today. We have 80 plus salespeople descending on Fort Worth. They're making their way to the Omni. They're checking in. They're coming to the second floor. And here registration begins. And what we really want to do here today is get people comfortable, get them understanding the surroundings, meeting new people. We have some food, we have some drinks, we have some competition. Important to note with this crowd, this is not a drinking competition. Those are two different things. And the whole goal is to get people comfortable, get them thinking about sales, get them in a new environment. So when we begin tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, everybody's ready to roll and we can hit the ground running.